Why you English very bad? Oh, inggit ka? Oh, inggit ka? Even my English is very bad. I have helped so many. And don't English me. I'm panicking, gago. Now, if you're watching FLM and listen to his message and choice of words, and look what is the essence of it. The very essence of my word is simple, is to cry out for the righteousness in men and appeal for a universal brotherhood for the unity of all people, including my nemesis, my enemies, and my hecklers. Yes. Oh. English yun. The kingdom of God is in the heart of man. Not man, not woman, but men. You know what's the meaning of men? General, including men and women. Men, yes. Men and women. Men, yes.
Manahimik ka!